Hello, this is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. This is the ultimate guide to criminal law. I'll brief the basic features of the crime and introduce the major issues regarding the crime in real-life situations. For our third topic, let's look into the crime of sexual assault, which is, tragically, one of the most common crimes in our daily lives. There are two typical types of sexual assault in the criminal act: rape and indecent act by compulsion. Article 297. A person who, by means of violence or intimidation, has sexual intercourse with another shall be punished by imprisonment for a limited term of at least 3 years. Article 298. A person who, through violence or intimidation, commits an indecent act on another shall be punished by imprisonment for not more than 10 years or by a fine not exceeding 15 million won. There are very common and distinctive features of sexual assault cases. First, most of the sexual assault cases suffer a lack of hard evidence except the statements and testimony of the interested parties. The gathering of proofs has been largely improved by the common usage of personal smart devices and widespread installation of CCTV cameras, but it is still difficult to gather the proof of sexual assault because it usually happens behind a closed door. Therefore, if you suffer sexual assault, the most important thing is to make a definite and consistent testimony about the situation and the offender through the investigation up to the trial. Second, 8 out of 10 rapes are committed by someone known to the victim, and 34% of the sexual offenders are family members. This raises a serious problem because when the sexual assault is committed by a family member, the victim might get confused whether the offender's act was illegal, and sometimes the victim blames him or herself on what had happened. Therefore, when you are or when you feel sexually offended by a family member, always consult somebody close to you for an objective opinion, and most importantly, remember that it is not your fault. Despite the existence of criminal act, new types of sexual assault cases are reported recently. For example, obscene acts by using means of communication, taking photographs or videos by using cameras, distribution of false video products, intimidation and compulsion by using photographs, etc. Mainly, this is the side effects of the general use of personal digital assistants such as smartphones. That's the reason why legislators enacted Act on Special Cases concerning the punishment of sexual crimes in order to punish these new types of sexual assault and furthermore to mandate the protection of the victim. In addition, the Special Act also allowed the right to disclose the name, face, age, and other personal details of the sexual offender when deemed necessary for the public interest, such as guaranteeing citizens' right to know, preventing the suspect from repeating such crime, and preventing similar crimes. If you have any further questions or if you have already struggling with any legal issues related to sexual assault, please feel free to contact down below and I'll be on your side. Again, this is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.